I lived in this house when I was a little boy, my mom and dad's, and this is the moment when I decided I needed to be the frugal fixer and figure something out. So y'all check this out. I'm in the stairway going to the basement, see? And I want y'all to look up. Y'all see that light up there? Well, that light bulb went out when I was a kid, and we were trying to figure out a way to change it because we didn't have a way to get up there. Because you'll notice this stairway is kind of tight, and well, that light's way up in the air up there. So me being the industrious little young man I was at about 8, I took this here light fixture, see that there, and on the top of it up here I put 4 pieces of shoestring and some tape, and I made a way to reach up there and take that bulb out of that ceiling. So yep, fixture was finding a way. Now I want y'all to know, they made a thing like this years later and sold them things, and sold a billion of them to change a light bulb in the air like that. And well, I'd like to think that I had it before. I think I had it before they did. So this goes to show y'all practice something when you're 8 years old every now and then, I guess. So anyway, y'all be good. And I ain't climbing up there to change that light bulb. It's burning. When it dies next time, I'll come back and use this and change it. I might have to put new tape in it. It's getting kind of worn down there, but hey, that's when I realized the idea when I was the frugal fixer. So y'all be good. We'll see how it works. I'll show you how it works. No, I ain't climbing up there. I'm too old.